Following quite a while of the Volkswagen dieselgate outrage, the New York Times discovered that 10 monkeys were caught in a hermetically sealed room in a research center and compelled to inhale diesel exhaust. It was a piece of a crusade by German automakers to procure researchers to do things about that may absolve diesel as being naturally sheltered. The American researchers who were directing the test didn't know that the diesel fuel Beetle being utilized was furnished with one of VW's scandalous annihilation gadgets, which enabled them to undermine emanations tests. Points of interest of the investigation embraced in Albuquerque in 2014 were illuminated in a claim against Volkswagen in the United States, the Times reports. The 10 cynomolgus macaque monkeys, a sort utilized widely in medicinal analyses, were indicated tunes. Researchers channeled in deplete from the Beetle, which kept running on a treadmill in a different room. The investigation did not give an unmistakable finding. Volkswagen in 2015 recognized introducing the mystery programming on upwards of 11 million diesel vehicles around the world. The supposed dieselgate embarrassment has taken a toll the German automaker as much as $30 billion, as indicated by Reuters, and prompted charges in the U.S. against 8 present and previous VW administrators. The organization has bounced back to post record-high worldwide deals and is turning its concentration to electric vehicles. The European Research Group on Environment and Health in the Transport Sector, which was financed by VW, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz, charged the monkey analyze. It was made in 2007 as Volkswagen was getting ready to showcase diesel innovation in the United States, which has harder limitations on diesel than Europe, however closed down a year ago. Finished debate about its work. The gathering got the majority of its financing for the monkey tests in Albuquerque from VW, Daimler and BMW, all of which protected the association's work. The greater part of the examination work appointed with the UGT was joined and assessed by an exploration warning panel comprising of researchers from famous colleges and research foundations, Daimler said in an announcement. Daimler and BMW said they were uninformed that the Volkswagen utilized as a part of the monkey tests was controlled to deliver good information. Volkswagen told the Times the specialists had never figured out how to distribute a total report.